Now, in this video, we will going to solve the projections of lines one more problem by using AutoCAD software. So the problem reads like this: a line capital AB 65 mm long has its end capital A 20 mm above HP and 25 mm in front of VP. The end capital B is 40 mm above HP and 60 mm in front of VP. Draw the projections of capital AB and show its inclination with HP and VP. So to do that, first we'll go to AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. So first we're going to command is limits. So specify lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner is 297, 210. So then zoom all. So then go to line. So first we're going to draw A4 size sheet. Take some arbitrary point and click on the first button of the mouse and drag the mouse towards the right side, and take some distance and click on the first button of the mouse and take some distance to the top side and click on the first button of the mouse and go to offset. Take the distance as 297. You select this vertical line and offset to the left side, and then go to offset. Take the distance as 210. Select this horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom extent and zoom 0.6x and go to fillet. So fillet this vertical line and this horizontal line. Similarly, this vertical and this horizontal, and between this vertical and this horizontal. Then go to layer. So click on new layer and type the layer by name XY and enter. Click on the new layer, type the layer by name front view and enter. Click on the new layer, type the layer by name top view and then TV and enter. Click on this layer, a new layer, and type it as locus. And similarly, you click on new layer, type the layer as true length TL. Now just go to layer 0 and click on layer as 0.05 and click on OK. So take the layer by name XY, click on the line weight, make it as 0.13 and say OK. The front view, take the thickness of front view as 0.5 and say OK. The top view as 0.5. You take 0.5, say OK. Then go to locus and make it as 0.05 and the true length as 0.3. So you take 0.3 and say OK. Then go to true length color and make that as index color 30 and say OK. Then go to top view, make it as red and say OK. And the front view, you make it as magenta color. Similarly, you just go to locus, continuous line type, click on locus, go to load and make this as dash dot and say OK, and click on dash dot and say OK. So you're going to change this. So once you get all these things, then go to close this and then go to line, select some arbitrary point and click on the first button of the mouse and drag it to get the XY line. So now we need to take 20 mm above XY line and 25 mm below XY line. So to do that, first go to offset, take the distance 20 mm, so which is above XY line, and then go to offset, take 25 mm below XY line. So you take that, then go to line, take nearest point on this and take perpendicular to this, and then go to fillet between this line and similarly between these two. Then similarly, you just go to the next one. So go to offset, take the distance as 40 above and 60 below. So go to offset, take the distance as 40, select this XY line and offset to the top side and offset, take the distance as 60, select from here and offset to the offset 60, select this and offset here. Then we go to the, we want to draw 65 mm radius true length such that it will going to cut these two locuses. So to do that, so go to circle, take int of this, take the radius as 65 and then go to break this circle in counterclockwise direction, select this and from here you select on this side. Then go to erase this, go to erase this line. Similarly, go to circle, take int of this, and now previous diameter, the radius is 65, so it will going to take it by default. You just press enter key. So then go to break, then go to break, select object, select this circle and break it in a counterclockwise direction, and from here you counterclockwise direction. Then go to erase, then go to line, take intersection point of this and take intersection point of this. Similarly, then go to line, take int of this int of this and take intersection point of this. Now we need to, from this intersection point, draw perpendicular till here, and from this intersection point, draw perpendicular till here. So to do that, so go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to till here. Similarly, go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular till here. Then the remaining length has to be chopped off. So to do that, so just go to fillet, select between these two, and you select between these two. Then you retain, draw an arc from here to here, so that you retain the arc from only from till here to here. Similarly, you retain the arc from here to here. So to do that, so go to circle, take int of this and take intersection point of this. So then go to line, take int of this and take intersection int of this. Then go to trim between this inclined line and this horizontal line, and you chop off this. Go to erase this. Similarly, go to circle, take int of this and take intersection point of this. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this. Then go to trim between this line and trim this portion and this portion. Then go to erase this. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection part of this. Then we are going to get both will going to have until the same line. So now then go to break this till here and you break this till here. Then go to erase this and go to erase this and erase this. Then go to break this line till here and you break this line till here. Similarly, you break this and you break this. Then go to erase. So you got this. Now we are going to change the layers now. You just click on this, go to layer, you make that layer as XY. Escape. Then go to select between these two. You change this layer as locus layer. So come down to locus and you change the line type scale as 10. Then escape. Then you select this line and this line. You make that layer as true length layer. So take true length and you switch on the line weight display. Similarly, you just click on this, go to layer, you make that layer as top view. Similarly, you just click on this, go to layer, make that layer as front view. So we have changed everything. Now we need to go for dimensioning. So go to that. So type Ddm Modify. Then go to primary units, you make it as 0. Then go to text, you make it as 3. And align with the dimension line, go to above and make this as 2. Similarly, symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3 and then go to lines and symbols, take this offset from the origin as 2 and say OK and then say close. Now we go for dimension. So go to intersection point of this and take int of this. So we're going to get 20. Similarly, int of this and take int of this. So we're going to get it as 25. Similarly, nearest point on this and perpendicular to this. So we're going to get 40. Then go to nearest point on this and then perpendicular to. So here, then zoom previous, go to dim nearest on this and take perpendicular to this. So here, so you're going to get it as 60 mm. Now we need to change zoom window. Now we need to give the directions of projection. So you just go to leader, go to nearest, annotation option none, go to leader, nearest, select this, annotation option none, go to leader, nearest. So you switch off the ortho mode. So this should be the direction of projection, option none. So go to leader, nearest on this. So we take this option, none. Annotation option none. Then go to explode X. Select this line, you select this, you select this, and you select this. Then go to erase. Erase this line, erase this line, erase this line, and erase this line. So this is how you will be able to get the directions of projection. So now we go for Ddm Modify. Then you go to primary units, go to the angular dimension you want up to second decimal point, and say close. Dim, then go to angular. So you select between these two. So here 17.92. So you have 17.92, which is theta. So you go to text, give space, enter. So this is the angular dimension. Then go to angular. So select between these two. So you have got to 21.42. So alpha 21.42. So you go to text, then give space, enter. So you place it here. Similarly, angular dimension, select between these two. So you go to text. So 32.58. 32.585. So here give space, enter. So you will going to get it as 5. Similarly, angular dimension, select between this line and this line. So you're going to get it as text. So 34.47, which is beta. So give space, enter. So dimension outline location. Then go to mtext, empty. So here you select this, and here formatting, go to symbol, select on this, and you make this as small letter a alpha. So here go to mtext. So you select this. So here go to mtext, select this. So here go to formatting, go to symbol. So type I will say beta, and you click on this. So here just go to zoom previous. So here you come down to zoom window. So go to mtext. So here we have a symbol, type alpha. It's not taken Y. So here go to mtext. So mtext. So now we go for, first we'll go for dtext. At least now we're going to take this, take height as 3, and we're going to mark this as X, and you mark this as Y, and you mark this as VP, and you mark this as HP, and this as capital A, and this as capital B, and this as locus of B, and this as capital B, and this as locus of B, and this as capital A, and here this as small a dash, this as B dash, this as B1 dash, and this as B1, and this as B, and this as A, and this as B2, and this as B2 dash. Then we just go to move. So you move appropriately all these points, X, VP, HP. So you take A dash, you take A, you take A on this side, and small a here, then B, then capital B, then locus of B, then B2, then B1, then B2 dash, then B1 dash, then B. So we'll have locus of B. So this will be having B dash. So now we will need to change this. Go to select this A dash, B dash, B1 dash, B2 dash, locus of B. So go to layer, make this as front view. Then you select this, capital B, capital A. So you make this as color, you make it as blue. Then escape. So similarly, HP, A, B1, B2, B and locus of B, and make that layer as top view. So this is how you're going to change this. Now we go for M text. So here we are going to take it as alpha. Sorry. So here go to formatting, go to formatting, go to symbol, select this and type alpha, and then go to move. So take this and move this till here. Then go to copy this here, and you copy this here, and you copy this here. So then go to DD edit. So this is theta, small letter Q, and this is small letter B, and this is small letter F. Fine. So once you do that, then go to zoom previous. So now we need to write the answers here. So go to D text. So here you type answers. Then go to zoom window. Then you take 17.92 degrees. So D text, you type 17.92 percentage D. So what is that 17.92? Theta. So to do that, so first we'll go for zoom previous, then go to zoom window, then go to copy this and you keep it here. So this is theta. So then go to move and place it. Of course, these are all things which you have to do by manually. So you just go to this line and then go to line, take endpoint, end of this, and then go to line, nearest point on this, and then then take this here. So then go to offset, take the distance as 6. Then go to copy, select these two, and you copy this till here. Again you copy this here. Go to offset, take the distance as 6, and then copy, select these two, and you copy this till here, and you copy this till here. Then go to phi alpha beta. So now here DD edit. So you go to this, you make it as phi, and this as alpha, and this as beta. Then go to trim. So then you take 32.58. So go to DD edit, 32.58. So this line you'll have to have 32.58. Then alpha should be 21.42. So you make it 21.42. Then beta is 34.47. So you make it 34.47. So this is how you will be able to solve this problem. So now we need to give one more dimension, which is 65 mm, which is the true length line. So go to dim. So take intersection point of this and take INT of this. So you switch off the ortho mode. So you will go to get the align dimension. So this is how you will be able to solve this problem by using AutoCAD software. Thank you.